Welcome to this combined UK drug testing and ValueMed presentation video and demonstration of the new UK drug testing 6-panel eco-friendly urine drug test manufactured by ALLTEST. This panel is a 6-drug combined screen in a single sample screening for amphetamines, cocaine, ketamine, ecstasy, cannabis and benzodiazepines. Inside the actual foil is this little match type pouch that contains the 6 drug test prongs. By folding the outer card backwards, it exposes the prongs, which to run the test, simplicity itself, into the sample of freshly collected. You dip the prongs. This can be bent slightly if the container is narrow. Needs dipping into the sample for between 5 and 15 seconds. It's perfectly okay to leave the actual test membranes embedded into the urine sample if they sit snugly as they do in this container. But if you have a wider drinks container, this would need holding for that length of time. I'm going to remove this one now. Just tap it gently. You can see the membranes running. Lateral flow technology here with different rates across the different 6 membranes. At this stage it is okay just to refold the membrane down and place it flat on a surface, and then you're reading the results at between 2 and 5 minutes. So we're going to pause the video now and show you how to interpret the results on this particular 6 panel. The results are available to read in most cases as early as 2 to 3 minutes, although a full 5 to 10 minutes development time should be left in non-negative results. Invalid results are shown by either the absence of a control line or the absence of a control and test line. Common reasons for this would be insufficient sample wicked into the actual test strip. There is no plastic used in the construction of this panel, so the reduced use of plastics may fit in with your environmental policy or process within companies and businesses. It's available to order now from the UK drug testing site, and if you use coupon code YT10 you will get 10% off the value of your first order of this panel. Thanks for watching.